how to submit an Office 365 cloud assignment. One of our types of assignments that has this Office 365 tool is 6th grade math. To access the assignment from the syllabus page, you simply click on the link for the assignment. You'll notice that you have your objectives, any lesson instructions. For this assignment, it's just simple instructions. Once your teacher has done the live teaching session, the video link will be posted here. And if your teacher finds other resources that are helpful for completing this assignment, they will also be included under this yellow section for learning activities. After you have gone through the teacher video and any other activities that might be there, to submit your assignment, you're going to come down here and open it in Word. Now, for the math assignments, a lot of the instruction is actually built into the Word document itself. So to open that, we're going to follow the instructions listed here. I'm already logged into the student's Office 365 account, the same Office 365 account that matches the Canvas account that the student is logged into. We're going to look for the Edit Document on the right-hand side, and then we're going to choose Open in Desktop App. So we're going to come here and do Edit Document. We're going to choose Open in Desktop App, and then we're going to go ahead and open it in Word. We don't need this anymore, so we can close that. We now have this file open in Word, and you'll notice that Auto Save is off. You want to check and turn that on. So this assignment shows you the objectives. It also includes any notes about just background information you might need to know before you start the assignment. It has vocabulary, and then it starts the lesson. This is basically in a guided notes model. So there's information, and anything in yellow is what we expect the student to do. The student can simply just type their answer here, or they can use the draw tools that are found in Word. To find the draw tools, you simply click on Draw. And then you can choose your pen. And I'm just writing with my mouse. It's not the easiest, but it's totally doable. If you have a touchscreen device, it's much simpler, but it's not impossible to write using your mouse. After the student has completed the assignment, then it's time to submit it. You'll notice in the assignment there are videos, and there are assignment options at the end. So we can choose to do option A, and again, I can just write right on the screen. I can choose to do option B, or option C, or D. These assignments are differentiated. Options A and B are on grade level. Options C and D are usually more challenging. So after I've completed my assignment, I need to submit it. You'll notice that it's already auto-saved. So all I have to do is come over here to my Canvas page. I'm going to refresh the browser, and then you'll notice that the annotations that I made on my document show up. It's kind of a large file, so we need to give it a second to resync. But if you scroll down, you'll see what I wrote is showing up. Type answer and writing appears. So now that I've double checked that my annotations are on the page, I simply click Submit. I don't have to find out where I saved the file, go navigate to upload the file. It's just simply submitted for me.